friends, this is Tejas and today we'll be speaking about the 2.1 speaker by F&D and the model number is F210X. So the best part of this speaker is it has the Bluetooth connectivity and the price range is around 2000 rupees. So nowadays if you go to buy a Bluetooth speaker, just the Bluetooth speaker, you would be it would be charging you around 1500 to 3000 rupees. But over here this speaker is a 2.1 speaker. That means you get a 2 satellites and 1 subwoofer. And I'll be showing you the box, and then what we'll be doing is we'll be unboxing the speaker, and then we'll be checking the build quality, and then we'll be doing a sound check, and then my final verdict towards this speaker. So talking about the features, as I said, it has Bluetooth, it has the USB connectivity, and the add-on feature I can say is the FM radio. So I have not tested it. I'll be opening the speaker for the first time right now, and then we'll be setting it up, and as I said, we'll be moving it forward with the review. So guys, let's see what's inside the box, and we'll open this up. So guys, let's see the button and the ports on the subwoofer. So over here you see the USB port so that you can plug in your pen drive, and these are the power on button, and these are the FM scan and volume up down button. So guys, that's all we have in the front, and this is the LED indicator if you connect using the Bluetooth, that we'll see, and this is the base outlet from where you would see that the air would pass. At the bottom it has given the they have given the bottom exhaust. So this is the punch would be coming from the beneath of this woofer, and let's see what's behind this. So we have a power on off button, we have a bass control button over here. This is the antenna for FM, and over here we need to make sure that it's audio input and audio output. So when you want to connect your phone, maybe you have to give it to audio input so that the input would be coming from the output over here. So guys, that's all we have on the subwoofer. Right now what we'll do is we'll connect these speakers to the subwoofer, and then what we'll do is we'll play some test songs. Before that, I would like to tell something about the build quality. The build quality is average, to be very honest, because this is a 2000 range speaker with all these features. So don't expect much from the at the side of build quality, but the form factor is very nice. If you see, the speakers are nicely shaped over here, and they have given the cables as well. You get this 3.5 the RC cable to 3.5 cable. So guys, what we'll do is we'll quickly set this up, and then we'll try to play some sample songs. So guys, I have placed the satellites at the top, and I believe that the base should be grounded, so it is on the ground. So I have powered on the woofer, and you see that there is a red LED over there. So over here we need to first power on the subwoofer using the remote control. So now I have pressed this button over here, and now we'll play a song, and this is a free music, and it includes some bass.
Uma ameaça foi detectada. Uma ameaça foi detectada.
some music with the vocals over here. In this price range of 2000, you get a Bluetooth, you get USB, you get FM, plus you get a remote control to control your songs of maybe from the pen drive. So looking at the form factor and the price range, I would say that this is definitely a good buy. So people who are looking out for a Bluetooth speaker and who are not giving importance to the portability, this one is a good buy if you want to connect it to your computer or maybe your television. So I would like to mention one more thing over here is if you are trying to compare this speaker with JBL Bose, please don't do that, because this is just a 2000 speaker and you don't expect much from it. But if you say difference between analog bass and the digital bass, so of course the analog bass is much punchy, and the bass there is a good depth in the sound. Over here, the bass is punchy, but you won't find that depth in it because it's a digital subwoofer. So please, don't try to compare between those speakers and this one. This is a small speaker with around 15 RMS, but it is sufficient enough for an indoor use and not an outdoor use. So indoor, I mean, if you place this in your hall or maybe in your bedroom, so that is enough, and you can easily party in this sound. So guys, please do let me know if this review was helpful in the comment section, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, like my channel, and you have a great day ahead. Bye bye.